She was built to be a monument to a world we left behind.
The core is at 100% harmony. She's breathing perfectly.
We're bringing a piece of home with us. Don't let it wither.
To progress, may we never look back at the dust we left.
Darling, your neural lace dress is absolutely stunning.
Thank you. The plasma cocktails are even better.
The density is shifting outside.
Security is about priorities. Remember that.
Is the sky breaking, Papa?
Minor gravitational flux.
She's not breaking apart. She's folding in.
Something is taking the air. Something that isn't supposed to be here.
Seal the vents. We can't have the noise of the void panicking the guests.
Physics doesn't take bribes. Get to the center of the ship.
Papa, the other ships are disappearing. Are we the only ones left?
Breathe slow. If you panic, you burn the air we don't have.
The ship is a graveyard, Vayanza. Give me the keys to the future.
If she can't sail, she will stand. I'm locking the coordinates to the bedrock of space.
Follow the needle. It knows where we belong.
Stay grounded. Everyone, stay grounded.
The floor is turning to wadding!
The ship is already a memory.
Cut the tether.
If I can't stop the fold, I'll shift the center of gravity. Move, you beautiful machine.
The world isn't just surviving anymore. It's coming home.
Papa looks like a star now, Mommy.
We're drifting, but we aren't lost. Your father's signal is still in the metal.
He's jamming the whole sector! The man is a ghost and he's still fighting!
Oh, Mama.
The needle is waking up. It's pulling us back.
You can't run a world on math and flowers, Michael.
We made it. We're both still here.
Take us in, son. The foundation is yours now.
It's real. It's actually real.
We made it! Look, the ocean! We are free!
The ship is now the city. We have a home.
Everyone, form a line. We're starting fresh today.
We'll build the first school right here, Papa.
I'm faster than you! No, you're not! Wait up! Last one there is a rotten egg.
We don't build on top of this world. We build with it.
A new world needs old memories to stay balanced.
No more anti-gravity sleds, David. Use your back.
Taste the earth. It remembers your name.
Preserved Earth coffee. Best you'll find.
And this Lorien fruit is the freshest. A fair trade.
The planet is testing us. We have to learn its language.
The foundation is locked. The city has a pulse.
I was wrong about the weight. It's better to be on the ground.
The world isn't just surviving anymore. It's coming home.
She still has one more trick left. Brace the core!
Stay close to the metal. The ship will hold.
The sky is washing itself, Papa.